students, welcome to our mathematical activities lesson. And today we are going to look at place value. We are going to look at place value. We are going to look at numbers in the place value of ones and tens. We are going to look at the place value of numbers in ones and tens. Now, before we go to place value of numbers, I want somebody to tell me what is place value. What is place value? Place value is the position of a digit in a number. Now, here I'm going to look at the ones before I go to the tens. So, I have these numbers here. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from number 0 to number 9, they are also called unit numbers. So all the unit numbers 0 to 9, we say they are in the place value of ones. We say they are in the place value of ones. Now from number 10, 11, 12, up to 99. The numbers have two-digit numbers. Now, for example, I will use number 10. Number 10 has two-digit numbers. That is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Now, I want us to go back to our straws here. I have some counters. They are called straws. Now, we have said that we are going to look at the numbers in the place value of ones and the place value of tens. And we refer to numbers that are in the place value of ones, those ones that have not gone beyond number 9. So, we are going to count, and I want you to count with me. Now, I have 1. Where will I put my 1? I'll put in the place value 10 of ones. That's how I'll do. That is 1. So we say number 1 is in the place value of ones. Number 1 is in the place value of ones. 1 straw representing number 1. I can have like 2. Here with me I have how many straws? Let's count. 1, 2. I have how many straws? 2 straws. They still belong in the place value of ones because they have not gone beyond number 9. Same to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are still in the place value of ones. Now, I want us to look at tens. Now, count with me here. Count with me. This is how we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are they? They are 10. They are 10. Now I'm going to tie them together. I'm going to tie them together. This is how I tie. I'm tying the straws together. After tying, I will say this one is 110. 110. Class, you have to make sure that your straws, they have gone up to 10. So this is 110. So where will I put my 110? I'll go and put my 110 in the place value 10 of tens. Now, class, somebody can ask you to count how many. In mathematics, mostly we do counting. How many are they? The ones in the tens and the ones you put together, how many are they? Remember, when I tie this one together, it stands for a bundle. So this one bundle stands for 10. So I will count. This is how I will count. Here, counting has been made easier for you. So it is 10. So it's 10, 11, 12. How many are they? They are 12 straws. How many are they? They are 12 straws. Good. I'll return my straws back to the place value. So this one is 10, 110, and I have my 2. in the ones because they have not gone beyond 10. Place value. We say that once you tie the straws together, they become 110. We can have more bundles. We can have more bundles. For example, here, I have how many bundles? 1 bundle, 2. There are 2 bundles. How many are they? They are 20. 10 plus 10, you get 20. We can still draw on the chart or inside your books to represent tens and ones. Now look at my chart. I have some straws here and I have tied them together. And I said when you tie the straws together, they represent a 10. So it is 110. The ones that have not tied together, we refer to that they are loose. They are loose. Something is loose because you've not tied it tightly or together. It is loose. So with me here, I have 2 loose straws. So place value here will be 110 and 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones. Now what do I get? Remember we did the counting together. So what do I get? When you take a 110 and 2 loose, that is the place value of ones, what do you get? Wow, you get 12. You get 12. Next example, look at my bundles. And I want us to count how many bundles are there. Let's count together, class. 1, 2. How many bundles? 1, 2. They represent 2 tens. They represent 2 tens. And I have how many loose ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. How many? 4. So here we say that we have 2 tens and 4 ones. What do we get? Wow, we get 24. So 2 tens and 4 ones, we get 24. Look at my next example. Now here I'm having only loose straws. Only loose straws. How many are they? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. Do you have bundles of 10? No. So what are we going to write? How are we going to place those numbers in their correct place value? Look here. I'll write 3. The loose ones are always in the place value of ones. So 1, 2, 3, I'll write here 3 ones. Now I have tens. Do I have tens? Do I have any bundle here? No. I'll write 0. So what will be my answer? 3. Now here I have 0 tens and 3 ones. What do I get? 3. What do I get? 3. Because we do not have any bundle of 10, we don't have the number here. We only have 3. 3. In my next example, I have 4 tens and 2 ones. I have 4 tens and 2 ones. Now they want you to get the number. 4 tens and 2 ones. What do we get? Is equal to 42. 3 tens and 5 ones. What do you get? 35. We get 35. Now sometimes you can be given numbers for you to look for their place value. To look for their place value. Now look here. I have 36. When you're writing the place value of numbers, the first number from the right hand side is always in the place value of ones. And the second number falls in the place value of tens. This is how we write the word ones. And this is how we write the word tens. So we want to get the place value of these numbers. We are not going to write the whole word ones here. So what I will simply do is I'll go for the word ones and underline the first letter. So the first letter of the word ones is O, letter O. So I'll come and write here O. O stands for the word ones. Remember, I've said that the first number from the right hand side is always in the place value of ones. Ones. I go to the next one. What is the place value of now 3? From ones we go to tens. The word tens is here. This is the word tens. The first letter of the word tens, we have letter T. We have letter T. T for tap. T for tap. Now here it means that number 3 is in the place value of tens. Now I have 6 in the place value of ones, and I have 3 in the place value of tens. Look at my chart. I have 74. Somebody wants you to place the numbers in their correct place value. What will I do? I'll go with the way I have said here. I'll take the first letter for ones or place it at the first number from the right hand side. And T stands for tens. I'll put my T there. So what does it mean? That here I have 4 ones and 7 tens. 74 has 4 ones and 7 tens. Now look at my last example. I only have number 9. And I said 0 to 9, they are called unit numbers. They fall under the place value of ones. So I have my number 9. I'll use my O and T. So I'll put my O here that stands for ones. There's no need of me putting here T because we don't have any number there. So I'll simply come and write here 9 ones and 0 tens. Here we have 9 ones and 0 tens. And that is the end of our lesson. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.